Huang Huayu, 43, is a forest ranger at Yanlongshan state-owned forest farm in Wichuan, Gelao and Miao Autonomous County, Zunyi City, southwest China's Guizhou province. The forest, which covers an area of 2,000 mu, was planted by villagers including Wang's grandfather and father-in-law. Over the past 57 years, Wang's family members have guarded the forest farm for 3 generations.
我在银龙山国有林场当护林员都有7年了。我们护林的主要任务就是防火、防盗和苗木不种。我们在林场里建立了防火带，并且对里面的腐叶进行定期处理。同时，对于空区的地方呢，我们要组织护林员呢进行苗木不种，同时加强森林防火、防盗的知识宣传，增强周边群众的法治意识。现在我们这里的护林人员总共只剩下8人。我接这个护林员工作的时候呢，我觉得这片林场是外公和岳父一生都守护的地方。到我这的人呢，要继续接下这个重担，守护好这片青山。